Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to make an Instagram account. So in order to create an Instagram account, first of all, you'll need to install the application. So for that, go ahead and open up your Play Store and then on the search box, type in Instagram. So click the install button, and after you're done installing, click on the open button. After you open up your Instagram account, it's going to take you to this kind of interface. So since you're creating an account, so create a username and click the next button located right at the bottom. On the other page, you'll be asked to create a password, so go ahead and tap on create a password as well. Create a password and click the next button. On the other interface, it's going to ask you to provide in your contact details. So for the contact details, you could either provide in your phone number or an email address. Once you're done providing your information, type the information, then tap the next button. On the other page, it's going to ask you to enter in the login code that will be sent through an SMS or an email address. That depends on the particular information that you've provided. Once you're done entering the information, then you've successfully created your account. Now you can begin with the bio as well as adding a profile picture, following some content, and that's basically how you can create or make an Instagram account. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.